The Lehigh Gap Nature Center is a community nature center, but it is the only environmental education center in the country that was developed out of a Superfund toxic waste site. Air pollution from a zinc smelter created the toxic situation, and they were unable to stop the pollution because we did not have the technology. We've created an environmental education center here where people can come and learn about nature and learn about remediation and learn about what we can do to fix this planet when we mess it up. We currently have 750 acres on this side of the gap. We have a trail system here that allows people to hike throughout the 750 acres and connects to two other trail systems here, the Appalachian Trail and the DNL Trail.
So Brian, we're on the DNL Trail, actually heading toward Allentown.
Yes.
And tell me a little bit about this area.
The DNL Trail is a 185-mile-long trail that runs from Philadelphia all the way up to Wilkes-Barre. We have a multitude of trails, 13 miles total actually, and they range in skill level from an easier flat terrain to a more rugged, get on your hands and knees crawling up boulders hike. The love of the community for this area is one of the driving forces that really is enabling our success and for us to get where we have gotten.
One of the really unique things about our place here is the variety of habitats.
So this here is our pond, and it's one of several ponds that we have at the Lehigh Gap Nature Center. This one's really great for educational purposes because it's right next to our laboratory, so we sometimes bring our school students out here to do investigations. We also have a lot of plants here. We have water lilies out in the middle of the pond, brown-eyed Susans growing all around our gardens, sneezeweed over there.
Oh yeah, a little ragweed. Now we have come to a point in one of the trails where it's kind of scrubland.
That's right, yep, this is our scrub habitat.
And I like how you have things labeled. If you walk along the trail, so, you know, every once in a while you'll come to a label of a bird.
That's right.
Or a tree, or what kind of area you're in.
We do a lot of guided programs, but we want people to have an educational experience on their own too. So when they come here in the trails, they can learn what lives in these different habitats on the property.
When we came here, you could walk up onto this mountain here and it was completely barren. Wildlife has come back. We didn't put the wildlife back. We created the habitat and the wildlife came. But I hope people come here to enjoy nature. The Osprey House is our visitor and education center, but it's not our nature center. Our nature center is the 750 acres and the trails and the natural resources that are outside.